Everyone for joining Remake uh, YouTube channel. Today I am discussing how easy it is to set up a Facebook ad. Really simple. Uh, Facebook has become so intuitive. It takes me under 2 minutes to set up a Facebook ad. Uh, Obviously, the first thing you want to do is go to business.facebook.com. You can either log in or you can create an account if you don't already have one. Then after that, once you log in, here I'm already logged in. You have a bunch of options here: notifications, inbox, post stories. Anything that you've posted recently will show up on this page. As you can see, I've posted Raymac has posted a few things, and they're all showing up here in the recent posts. And so most of the time, when we're creating ads for the Raymac organization and for our clients, we usually try to turn their posts into an ad. So instead of going to your ad center, just scroll down here to your most recent post and turn that post into an ad, and that ad will run on Facebook and Instagram. Um, so it's very intuitive. Once you get into the business suite, and I kind of showed you how to get to the business suite. Just go into business.facebook.com, create an account, log in, and you get these options. You got your notifications, your inbox, your commerce, the stories. Obviously, today we're interested in setting up an ad out of one of our posts. So go to Boost Post, and then when you get to Boost Post, you get this really user friendly page, and you can decide, what category you want, and ads about credit, employment, housing. That's not what we're doing here. So if you look further down the messaging apps, you can set up for Instagram Direct. For that to function, you obviously want to make sure that your Instagram is connected to your business suite. That's another video for another day. If you have WhatsApp, it's becoming popular. It's already popular. It's a large platform with quite a number of users, probably close to a billion, or close to at least over 500 million. So you can connect your WhatsApp. What that means is if you choose an option to send messages, such as this one, it will send a WhatsApp message to you. Um, but here, based on the current setup, it gives you like a rough estimate of how many people you will reach, how many replies you're expected based on your budget. You can get granular with the targeting here as well. uh, you can create a target for people you want to you want to reach. I just call this test one. You can get more creative. So obviously this ad, obviously, I can choose the industries that I want to target. So say for instance marketing. So I'll put in marketing as an interest. I'll put in technology as an interest. Type that in. Put in uh, people who like to shop, and the more narrowed down your group is, the better, because obviously you know you want to target people that are going to be interested, and not this hodgepodge of people. So maybe in the you can type the locations and narrow it down further and just say, hey, I want New York. I want New York City. I want LA. I want Phoenix. I want but you get the point. You can get granular and narrow down, kind of who you want. Austin, Texas, obviously. And then maybe Phoenix, Arizona, and then the age group too. You can kind of narrow that down further, and obviously Facebook will give you kind of feedback on. Obviously, for me, for what I'm trying to run, I probably think 30 to maybe 55 group, people who are decision makers in organizations, and it will kind of tell you here whether your group is too broad, whether your group is too narrow, uh, and so you can play with these settings until you find this happy median. Say for instance, I'm interested in chief marketing officers, um, chief marketing. I guess that's not an option. But anyway, you get an idea for what's going on here. You have to narrow down, make your audience a little broad, so that this way you kind of target people that are actually gonna be interested. And then the people reached, obviously now it's narrowed down. You have a smaller group, and you can set the duration. 5 days. How long do you want to run it for? And here's your budget. $25 a day. Oh, I guess $25 for 5 days. So which is basically $5 a day. Will get you this much of a reach. So it's just I'm gonna reduce this to. I'm gonna increase that to 7 days, and then just reduce that to one. Um, so your budget needs to be. So obviously there. I'm just gonna set it as 10. Um, so I'm spending $1 a day, and well, I'm spending $10 for the entire day, for the entire budget, and I'm gonna run it for 7 days. So they recommend a budget of at least 25. So it's good to listen to them because they know the algorithms they're using, and obviously the placements kind of tells you here where it's gonna go. It's gonna go to Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, and then Meta Pixel. If you've enabled that, that's fine. Then the payment method obviously will tell you what you're using, one of your credit cards. If you don't haven't already set up a payment, you can do that. And then obviously this is very critical. The button label, like what do you want them to see once your ad has gone live? And for me, I want them to learn more about my website, so reroute them to the website. You got a bunch of options. If you're running an e-commerce, then you'd want to have a shop now button, and that will route them to, hey, once they click on that, they go to the website, or they get sent. But for me, obviously, learn more. That's what I want to do. And then from there, you just hit post now, and that will pretty much finish it up. So simple as that. So boost post. You see mine is submitting your ad right now, and after you click on submitting your ad, it will tell you, hey, this is what you're gonna spend, and so on and so forth. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you joining, and thank you for your time, and I hope you get to use the Meta Business Suite. It's really simple and really intuitive.